Well, a Wichita Falls woman is hoping her story will inspire more minorities to pursue a career in healthcare.
Markeisha Jackson sat down with Dr. Sonia Calise, nurse practitioner, about her journey in healthcare. She joins us now with more. Markeisha.
Daryl Calise says she just wants to bridge the medical gap and help bring up the next generation of healthcare professionals. All month long, you've been hearing the saying, representation matters. It definitely rings true in the healthcare field.
So sometimes if they see a person like me, I've had black people come in and say, you know, I didn't know we had a black doctor or something like that. So I think it's very important for that, because if they see us and they can relate, more so maybe if they was seeing someone that wasn't their color. According to the Association of American Medical Colleges, only roughly 5% of all practicing physicians in the U.S. are black. It's shocking statistics like those that Dr. Sonia Calise, psychiatric and family nurse practitioner, says inspired her to pursue a career in healthcare. Sometimes I have to pinch myself to see if it's really real, because I would have never believed if someone would have told me 20 years ago that I would be the first African-American dual board certified nurse practitioner. I would say no. Accomplishments like becoming the first African-American in town to become dual board certified were great feats, but it didn't come easy. In a particular office I worked in, it was only 2 of us that were African-American providers, and we both were females. And we were told that we weren't able to address ourselves as Dr. Calise, nurse practitioner, because it could be confusing to patients, and that other providers didn't have the same level of education that we had. Those opinions only gave her the fuel to work harder. She now says her focus is on mental health, a field she says needs more representation now more than ever. I'm an advocate for those who don't have the voice to speak for themselves. So I enjoy mental health. I enjoy family practice as well, but right now I feel like my heart is in mental health. As for the next generation of professionals, she says, go for it. That they're needed. There's so much opportunity out there, whether you do family, psychiatry, and so I was just a girl that believed in myself, and I did it. Now she's encouraging others to do the same.
Now, to learn even more about her story, just head over to our website.
Wow, she's inspiring so many, I'm sure,
Encouraging
already.
and inspiring.
Exactly. Oh my goodness, me too. Okay, Markeisha, thank you so much.